Hello and welcome to the Morelo showroom in Schlüsselfeld in Germany. This is a Morelo Palace motorhome. Something like this, you're looking at around €500,000. Approximately, it's difficult to say because it depends on the kit which is specified for it. Now, there's the door to get in, and where is the keyhole? There isn't one, but what there is a code. Is that safer or better? I suspect it is actually. I think I'd rather have a code than a key, which can go missing, but that's just me. There is only one door into this, which in my opinion makes it much more secure. And on the subject of security, I'm going to actually show you what we've got around here. That window looks a lot more secure than the windows in most of the motorhomes that I know. I'm coming around the side here as well to show you some more. There you go. I mean, it's quite high up, as you can see. So if you were thinking of forcing an entry, I'm not saying it's impossible, because I do realize that people who force entries are professionals, but it's a lot more difficult to do it there than somewhere else. Note on this side that there is no door on the driver's side. Pretty good idea, in my opinion. I do appreciate that there are people who don't think that that's a pretty good idea, and they want an extra door there. Right, let's now go inside. Note, there are places to leave your shoes as you come in to the vehicle. Whoops, that one's not very big. That one, that's people with small feet, and come in like that. Right, and as we come in here, we can see we've got no bed up front. Pretty good idea. However, there is sleeping space for about 17 people at the back. So let's come right the way down here to this one here. Now, I think personally that this is a better layout than the German layout. The reason I think of this is, if you don't want to sleep with the person you're sleeping with, then there's plenty of space between the two. However, if you do want to sleep with the person, you can still do it without wasting too much space. The disadvantage, I suppose, is that you have to sort of get in. Entrance to the bed is from here. I don't know if that's a problem or it isn't a problem. I'm just pointing that one out. Storage at the top, and this comes with a cover, and there's something here behind which is being hidden there, so that's something to do with the infrastructure of the van. I don't appreciate is the corner bits up there being wasted. So are these being wasted? Well, let's have a look. Well, there's a wall definitely there. Let's come in here, and there's a wall there, so it is a bit. Right, under here we've got this ledge. There's a plug there, and there's a plug of USB down there, so that might be okay. You've also got your lights, which is down here. That is the view down the van from the bed, and you have got this television up there as well, which would be in the center if you closed the doors. There's also space up there for hanging your clothes. Oh, let's now have a little bit more of a look. What else we got in here? So this will close here, and you can see yourself in the mirror, and this will close here, and you've got this enormous, absolutely enormous area to as a dressing room. So I've got here your clothes, comes with a safe, and you can take one of the shelves out or two of the shelves out and have a wardrobe. Under here you've got places to hang your towels, moulded sink. Oh, it's ceramic, it says. I thought that. Oh, whatever. And this thing here also comes out. There we go. If you want to wash your hair or something, you sort of pull it out like that. I've got one of them in my van. And let's have a quick look at this. And here, this opens as well. How? That is the question. There you go. Got some stuff there behind there. Place to hang you. And another hanging place. And a radiator next to the toilet. There's also a window here, so they got a blind. Oh, you put that one up, look out the window. Or if you fancy keeping the insects out, you can, hang on, that's that one there. You're keeping the insects out, you can pull that one down as well. Shower is enormous, and I'm going to turn around to show you the shower. Hang on, I'm trying to show it to you best. There we go, look how big it is. I can't, so I'll show it like this. Yeah, it's pretty high. Yeah, that. A 2 meter high person could get into that shower. And one person who's a bit wide, one the waist probably could as well. That has a lot of space in it. And also I'd have to say that the entry door, valid point here, the entry door is also a wider one. They are now being made more wide. Now, I didn't mention heating, or I didn't mention heating, but you don't have to get a bed to turn the heating on. You've got storage in the step up here, and down there you've also got a bit of storage. Coming in here, wonderful amount of space. In here, drawers, storage down there. I'll open this one as well. See how well that opens. Oh dear, that hits there like that. So you can't open the two at the same time. I do appreciate that this is coming out at a slightly different angle because of the... And here, large sink, moulded large sink. And second sink, 3 burners. And here we've got additional storage, wardrobe. The oven is both convectional and what's the other one? Microwave. Fridge that opens 2 ways. That's the freezer bit, and there's the fridge bit. And it opens this way as well. And for those who don't believe me that this opens this way, there you go. Here we've got a pull-out pantry, which I think is particularly interesting. And there we go with the pull-out pantry. There we go. And right, face-to-face lounge sort of thing here. Up front, it's on the Iveco daily platform. And I do appreciate having storage up here as well, all the way around, rather than the bed and bang your head on the bed. This, of course, is empty once more. That I don't appreciate. Here, wonderful large skylight allowing light to flood in. Right, so as we go out, I'll have a look what can we do up here. There you can see the score on the solar that's coming, your batteries, power, and so battery temperature we've got there. It's connected to the mains. And here, let's just now turn off the lights. So the lights are now gone off. I shall close this. Did I mention the air conditioning? Probably not. It's there. Did I mention the fan? No, I didn't mention that either. Well, it's this one. And let's now walk out. Lots of storage all the way around. This garage door is on the central locking, and this one, same size, garage input, 250 kilos of kit in there. Here we have these compartments, the water and the septic tank, drainage, doesn't have a cassette, so gives you an idea. There you have it, Morelo Palace. Thanks for watching, and lots more from here, from Morelo, other luxury manufacturers, and all sorts of other motorhomes, RVs, and etc. on this channel. All the best from me in northern Bavaria.